Welcome to the M-Series commercial housing with remote emergency test switch installation video. Before installation, ensure all power to the luminaire is off. For this installation, you will need hole saw, 4 sheet metal screws, drill, screwdriver, measuring tape, conduit fitting, wire cutters, pliers, mounting hardware, sharp item for cutting, and single-gang electrical box. And for DMF products, you will need M-Series commercial emergency housing wired for remote test switch, M-Series commercial modules and trims. Locate desired fixture position in the ceiling plane. Mark the center position for the fixture and test switch on the specified ceiling material before installation. For the fixture, cut a 4 1/4 inch, 108 millimeters opening at the marked position. We recommend using a hole saw to prevent overcutting. For the test switch, cut an opening for the single-gang electrical box. Install your ceiling. For installation in T-bar, use screwdriver or pliers to break off the bottom flange of the bar hanger ends. Note if installing in hat channel, joist, or stud, refer to the installation instructions, and do not complete this step. Locate housing above the ceiling tile and adjust the horizontal position of the collar to align with the cutouts. Secure the horizontal position by tightening 2 pre-installed bar hanger screws. Install bar hanger ends to T-bar using 4 sheet metal screws. Mount a single-gang electrical box for the remote test switch at its desired location in the ceiling or wall. To connect your remote test switch to the housing, feed the loose flex on the housing through one of the knockouts on the single-gang electrical box. Route the building's electrical supply wires through any knockout into the field wiring junction box. For your reference, the field wiring junction box will be labeled "Open for Field Wiring." Splice the electrical wires to the bare wire leads in the housing junction box according to wire labels and local regulations. Connect the wires from the single-gang electrical box to the remote test switch faceplate, included with the housing. Once the wires have been connected, install the faceplate to the electrical box. Loosen the 2 pre-installed wing screws inside the collar. Adjust vertical position of the collar until it is flush with the ceiling, then secure the collar by tightening the wing screws inside. Pass the black cable on the side of the housing through the collar opening. The M-Series commercial family has modules in various different heat sink sizes corresponding to their lumen output and function. Please follow along for specific instructions on each one. Downlight modules, regardless of heat sink size, will follow the same steps for installation. Align the trim onto the module and turn the trim clockwise until secure. Note: trim must be securely attached to the module. Connect the black cable from the module to the black cable hanging through the housing collar and secure it by twisting the nut in place. Push the module and trim evenly into the collar until the spring clips engage and trim is flush with ceiling. For adjustable module installation, connect the black cable from the adjustable module to the black cable hanging through the housing collar and secure it by twisting the nut in place. Identify the clip-engaging cutouts in the walls of the collar and align with the spring clips on the module. Squeeze the spring clips and push the module into the collar until the spring clips audibly engage with the collar. Note: make sure the module is not tilted while inserting. To rotate the LED module up to 360 degrees, turn until the desired position is achieved. To tilt the module up to 40 degrees, push on the thumb lever until the desired angle is achieved. Note: reference angles are marked within the module and the tilting mechanism is self-locking. Push the trim into the housing until it is flush with the ceiling. For more information on how to change our optics in the field, please refer to our website for step-by-step instructions. The M-Series is always plug and play, backed by our in-house engineering, customer support, and DMF's 5-year warranty. M-Series, our most versatile product offering.